What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2020 Subaru WRX STI S209, and it's the first time we're getting one of these here in America, and it's very cool. I really love the little bit of a wide body look. They actually made the track, both front and rear, wider by 0.6 inches, so that helps obviously with the handling, which is much better here in this version. And that wide body makes it, including those front canards, 1.7 inches wider there, which just gives it a really cool look. I'm really digging it myself. So as far as mechanical stuff here, it still runs the EJ25 4-cylinder turbo boxer engine, but it now does 341 horsepower thanks to a larger compressor and turbine in the turbo that's made by HKS, and it's running 1.8 pounds more boost as well. There's also a new intake with a cone air filter and a 17% freer flowing exhaust that are 4.1 pounds lighter as well. Torque is unchanged at 290 pound-feet, but there's 10% more torque at 3,600 RPMs. But on the interior here, you'll see it's pretty similar to any other STI, but you have the white accents there on the Recaro seats that look very good. And there's also a cool new feature that they're reintroducing, which is paddles on the steering wheel, but they control a water intercooler sprayer to keep the intercooler cooler. And that's something you'll remember from the 2004 to I think 2007 models. Otherwise, you can see some cherry blossom accents there on the dash, which is a really nice inclusion. Also the STI badge there on the steering wheel. But as far as other mechanical stuff goes, you have 265 wide Dunlop summer tires now instead of the 245s you usually have, and a little close up there on that badge, which looks really cool. You also have 6-piston monoblock Brembo calipers in front and 2 pistons in the rear. There's also stiffer springs, retuned Bilstein dampers. They also recalibrated the SI drive system to have better response. And yeah, they said they didn't announce a price yet, but Subaru says production is going to be limited to around 200 units for the US, and it's going to be available in late 2019, and I am sure it will not be cheap, but it's so awesome they were able to give it so much extra power. I think this is really going to be the STI to have and to collect, I'm sure, as well. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.